Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to export a chat from WhatsApp Web. First, you will need to install the WA Export extension. Open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type WA Export and press Enter. From the results, select the extension called WA Export. Click on Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After a few seconds, the extension will be installed and you will see its icon appear in the extension section at the top right of your browser. Now open WhatsApp Web in your browser. Next, choose the chat that you want to export. Click on it so the full conversation is displayed. Now go to the top of your browser and click on the W Export extension icon. A menu will open with different export options. The first setting is the date range. Here you can select the starting date and the ending date for the chat you want to export. This is useful if you only want a certain period of the conversation. After setting the dates, move down to the file type option. You can choose between HTML or plain text. HTML will keep the formatting of the chat and make it look similar to WhatsApp, while text will save it as a simple document that is easier to edit or share. Once you have chosen the date range and file type, click on the Export button. The extension will process the chat and automatically download the file to your computer. Thanks for watching.